So alongside the Huawei Mate 20 and Mate 20 Pro, Huawei announced a brand new smartwatch called the Watch GT. It's not a Wear OS smartwatch though, instead it's actually running Huawei's own platform called Light OS. We don't really know a whole lot about it just yet, but it'll be interesting to see what advantages it might have and how it stacks up to other wearable platforms like Wear OS. Huawei had a couple of goals in mind when making this watch. They wanted it to look like a normal watch, and they wanted it to have long-lasting battery life so that people didn't have to charge it all the time. The Watch GT certainly does look like a normal watch, and it's got a pretty classy and elegant design. It's got a 1.39-inch circular AMOLED display, and the case is made of stainless steel with a ceramic bezel and two crowns on the side, and it's a decently thin smartwatch at 10.6 millimeters. Huawei didn't mention the size of the battery, but they're promising 22 hours of battery life with continuous exercise tracking, GPS, heart rate monitoring, and the screen always on. If you're just using the heart rate monitoring and exercise for 90 minutes per week, it can last up to 2 weeks, which is pretty insane, but it doesn't stop there. If you're only using the watch for messages and calls, the Watch GT is supposed to last up to 30 days, which sounds pretty crazy for a smartwatch, but we'll have to wait and see if it actually lasts that long. Other specs include an altimeter, which is great for hiking purposes, and it can track a bunch of other typical exercises like running, swimming, walking, and cycling. There's also a heart rate sensor on the back with 6 LEDs, and it uses what Huawei calls TrueScene 3.0 heart rate monitoring, which is supposedly a more efficient and accurate way of measuring your heart rate, and the watch will actually learn where it sits on your wrist in order to give you a more accurate reading. If you want to learn more about the Huawei Watch GT, including pricing and availability, check out the website, AndroidAuthority.com, because we are your source for all things Android.